Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
If you're thinking about taking control of your fitness journey, whether that means gaining weight, losing a few pounds, or just keeping a closer eye on your progress, today's video is absolutely for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a simple yet professional-looking weight tracker in Notion that's perfect for keeping you motivated and on track, no matter what your personal goals are. Let's dive right in. Instead of starting from scratch, which can feel pretty overwhelming with all of Notion's options, we're going to use one of Notion's free weight tracker templates. This isn't just about saving time. These templates are polished, user-friendly, and incredibly easy to customize. Think of it like moving into a furnished apartment. The foundation's already there, and you just need to add your own touches to make it feel like home. To get started, open up Notion and look at the top left corner of your workspace. You'll see a little drop-down arrow. Click that. This opens up more options. Don't worry if you haven't explored this area much. It's kind of your command center for everything Notion can do. From this menu, look for and select Browse Templates. This is where Notion stashes a great library of ready-made pages for all sorts of purposes. Now, once the template gallery opens, just head over to the search bar and type in Weight Tracker. Take your time scrolling through the results. There may be a few slightly different designs. Some focus on graphs, others keep things as simple lists of weights and dates. Don't feel pressured to pick the fanciest option. Just choose the one that matches your style and is easy to read. Remember, you can always tweak it later. Once you've found a template you like, simply click on it and then hit the Add button. Give the system a second. Sometimes it takes a moment for the new page to load, especially if your internet is thinking things over. Don't worry, this is totally normal. Now comes the fun part, making the template yours. The template probably includes sample entries. Feel free to delete those and start fresh. Enter your own credentials. At the very least, pop in today's date and your current weight. You can add more details too, like your weight goal, progress photos, a motivational quote, whatever will keep you inspired. If you're a visual person, try uploading your own photos or add a custom cover image to personalize the space even more. Notion is great for this. You can really make it match your vibe. And here's the beauty of using a template. It gives you a clear, organized place to see trends over time. There's something empowering about looking back and seeing a tangible record of your progress. If you want, you can even add extra properties, perhaps a note column for how you felt each week, or use color tagging to highlight milestones. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks and some personal touches, you now have a weight tracker that looks and feels professional, but is totally customized to your journey. So start logging your progress, check in regularly, and let Notion help you stay motivated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and drop any questions or your favorite Notion hacks in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more easy, smart tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your tracking.